If you want to disable two-factor authentication 2FA on your Kraken account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed safely. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Visit the Kraken website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Security section in your account settings. This is typically found in the account menu or under the Profile options. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication. In the Security settings, look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication or 2FA. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. You will see an option to disable or turn off 2FA. Click on this option, and you may be prompted to enter your 2FA code to confirm your identity. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering the required information, confirm your changes. You should receive a notification that 2FA has been successfully disabled on your account. Make sure to keep your account secure by considering other security measures after disabling 2FA.